Good news is coming your way. If you're receiving Social Security, SSI, or SSDI benefits, your payments are officially increasing, and I have the exact numbers you need to know right now. The Social Security Administration has confirmed these changes, and there's even better news coming for 2026 that could put more money in your pocket every month. The Social Security Administration has officially announced that Social Security and Supplemental Security Income, SSI, benefits for more than 72.5 million Americans will increase 2.5% in 2025. This means that starting in January 2025, benefits payable to nearly 68 million Social Security beneficiaries will see this important cost of living adjustment, or COLA as it's commonly called. For those of you wondering what COLA means, it's the government's way of making sure your benefits keep up with the rising cost of living, so your purchasing power doesn't decrease over time due to inflation. This 2.5% increase affects multiple programs that many of you depend on. Whether you're receiving traditional Social Security retirement benefits, supplemental security income because you have limited income and resources, or Social Security disability insurance because you're unable to work due to a qualifying disability, all of these programs will see the same percentage increase. The 2025 COLA, which was based on third-quarter inflation data for 2024, boosted the average Social Security retirement benefit by about $49 a month, which means real money back in your pocket every month to help with groceries, medications, and other essential expenses. What's particularly encouraging is the outlook for 2026, which shows even more promising news for seniors across America. Social Security beneficiaries may receive an estimated 2.7% cost of living adjustment, COLA, in 2026, raising average monthly benefits by $54 based on recent inflation data. The Senior Citizens League, TSCL, is maintaining its projection that Social Security recipients will see a 2.7% cost of living adjustment, COLA, to their benefits next year. And this affects more than 70 million Americans collect Social Security benefits and welfare payments, whether that be for retirement or disability purposes. I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below about how these increases will impact your monthly budget and what expenses these additional funds will help you cover. For our veteran community, there's equally important news about VA benefits that you need to know. In 2025, adjustments to VA disability pay reflect the latest 2.5% cost of living adjustment, COLA, increase, ensuring benefits keep pace with inflation. This means that veterans receiving disability compensation will see the same percentage increase as Social Security recipients. And, effective December 1, 2024, the 2025 VA disability pay rates will reflect a 2.5% increase as announced by the Social Security Administration on October 10, 2024. The synchronization between Social Security and VA benefits ensures that our veterans aren't left behind when cost of living adjustments are made. Looking ahead to 2026 for our veteran viewers, veterans should expect the increase to fall somewhere between 2.6% and 2.9%, depending on September's CPI-W reading. The Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, or CPI-W, is the specific inflation measure that the government uses to calculate these annual adjustments. Understanding how your benefits are calculated can help you plan better for the future and know what to expect each year when these announcements are made. It's important to understand why these increases matter so much right now. Many seniors have been struggling with rising costs for essentials like health care, prescription medications, groceries, and utilities. Medicare premiums have also been a concern for many of you. And while Medicare updates happen on their own schedule, having more money from Social Security and VA benefits helps offset some of these increased healthcare costs. The timing of these announcements is particularly significant because we're heading into the final quarter of the year, which is when many seniors make important financial decisions about their Medicare plans and budget for the upcoming year. The calculation process for these increases is something every senior should understand because it affects your financial planning. The Social Security Administration looks at the Consumer Price Index from the third quarter of the current year and compares it to the third quarter of the previous year. If there's an increase in the cost of living during that period, benefits are adjusted upward to match. This isn't just a random decision. It's based on actual economic data about how much more expensive goods and services have become for working Americans. For those of you receiving supplemental security income, the same 2.5% increase applies to your benefits as well. SSI is designed to help seniors and disabled individuals who have limited income and resources meet their basic needs for food, clothing, and shelter. The program has strict income and asset limits, but the good news is that these COLA increases don't count against those limits. They're designed to help you maintain the same standard of living despite inflation. If you're receiving Social Security disability insurance, you're also included in these increases. SSDI is different from SSI because it's based on your work history and the Social Security taxes you paid during your working years. The 2.5% increase for 2025 and the projected 2.7% increase for 2026 apply to SSDI recipients just the same as retirement benefit recipients. This is particularly important for disabled individuals who may have limited ability to supplement their income through other means. I want to take a moment to address the concerns many of you have shared in previous videos about whether these increases are enough to keep up with your actual expenses. While Social Security recipients are on track to get a larger COLA in 2026 versus 2025, the pay increase may not fully offset inflation, meaning benefits could lose buying power. This is an honest reality that affects many seniors, and it's why staying informed about all available benefits and assistance programs is so crucial. Please share in the comments what your biggest expense increases have been lately, and let's support each other with tips and resources. The timing of when you'll see these increases in your actual payments is important to know for your budgeting. Social Security benefits are typically paid on the second, third, or fourth Wednesday of each month, depending on your birth date. The January 2025 payments will reflect the 2.5% increase, so you should see the higher amount in your first payment of the new year. If you're receiving SSI, those payments come on the first of each month, so your January 1st payment would show the increase. Or, if January 1st falls on a weekend or holiday, you'd get it on the last business day of December. For veterans receiving VA disability compensation, the increased rates became effective December 1, 2024, so you should already be seeing the higher amounts in your monthly payments. The VA typically processes these changes smoothly, but if you notice any discrepancies in your payment amounts, don't hesitate to contact the VA to verify that your benefits have been properly adjusted. Beyond these automatic increases, there are additional ways to maximize your benefits that many seniors don't know about. If you haven't already, make sure you've created an online account with both the Social Security Administration and the VA if you're eligible for their services. These online accounts allow you to track your benefit amounts, view your payment history, update your personal information, and access important documents without having to wait on hold or visit an office. The Social Security Administration's website at ssa.gov has a My Social Security portal, and veterans can use the va.gov website to manage their benefits. It's also worth mentioning that these COLA increases don't affect your Medicare premiums in a negative way. While Medicare Part B premiums can increase each year, there's a hold harmless provision that prevents your Social Security check from decreasing due to Medicare premium increases. This means that in most cases, if your Medicare premiums go up, your Social Security COLA increase should cover at least that increase, protecting your net benefit amount. If you haven't received your Social Security statement recently, now would be a great time to request one or access it online. Your statement shows your earnings history, estimated future benefits, and current benefit amounts if you're already receiving payments. This information helps you verify that your benefits are being calculated correctly and gives you a clear picture of your Social Security situation. For those of you who are still working while receiving Social Security benefits, it's important to understand how these increases might affect your situation. If you're under full retirement age and earning income above certain limits, some of your Social Security benefits may be temporarily withheld. However, the COLA increases still apply to your base benefit amount, and any withheld benefits are typically added back to your monthly payments once you reach full retirement age. I want to encourage everyone watching to share this information with other seniors in your community who might not be online or might have missed these important announcements. Sometimes the people who need this information most are the least likely to see it, so your sharing could really help someone in your family or neighborhood understand what changes are coming to their benefits. Please hit that like button if this information has been helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss important updates about Social Security, VA benefits, Medicare, or other programs that affect seniors. Your engagement helps me know what topics are most important to you, and I read every comment to understand what questions you still have. As we wrap up today's important update, remember that these benefit increases represent real financial relief for millions of American seniors and veterans. The 2.5% COLA increase for 2025 is already taking effect, and the projected 2.7% increase for 2026 offers hope for continued improvements in your monthly benefits. Take action now by logging into your Social Security account at ssa.gov or your VA account at va.gov to verify your current benefit amounts and ensure your contact information is up to date. If you don't have online accounts yet, consider setting them up or ask a trusted family member to help you get connected. Contact the Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213 or your local VA office if you have questions about your specific benefits or if you notice any discrepancies in your payments. Keep all your important documents organized and easily accessible, including your Social Security card, Medicare card, and any VA correspondence. Most importantly, remember that you've earned these benefits through your years of hard work and service to our country. Stay informed, stay engaged, and know that there are people and resources available to help you navigate these programs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next update with more information to help secure your financial future.